How to turn on or off notifications in Riot application. Hello everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. If you are in Riot app and getting too many notifications or maybe missing important alerts, in this video I will show you step by step on how to turn on notification or keep it off so you can stay in control. First of all, launch open the Riot mobile app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page of Riot, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile button. Inside the profile section, go to the upper right corner and tap the gear button. Now this will open up settings where you'll need to click notifications. Click on the notification tab at the top. If you have turned off the notification, you'll see some button like this. Tap on it and this will take you to this page from where you can show the notification. Toggle on the switch right next to show notification in order to enable the notification in the app. Now once you enable notification, you'll be able to get important alerts like game updates, chat messages or friend requests. If you ever want to switch off the notification, then come to the same notification tab and toggle off the switch right next to allow notification. You can also go ahead and turn off the specific notifications you don't want to receive from the same page, or you do want to receive, just switch it on or off just like that. So that's how you easily enable or disable notification in the Riot mobile application, whether you are using your mobile device or tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.